Okay, hi everybody. Roberto here again. So we're going to look at the quiz we created and how it looks like for students. So if you go into your course, and this is the Sandbox course. If I click over here on quizzes, we'll open up. There's the quiz that I've assigned. It's due tomorrow. It's available today. It gives you a total of 3 questions and 3 points, 1 point per question. If I click on the quiz, it gives you an overview. This is you as the teacher with the instructions. 3 points. I have a time limit of 5 minutes in total. Students are allowed multiple attempts, keeps their highest score, and they view responses always. So now let's look at what this looks like for the students and them actually taking the quiz. So we're going to go back to home on our course. I'm going to click over here on student view. And if I go to the calendar for the class, you can see over here the quiz is populated as due on Saturday. So if I click on that and then click on the Sandbox, it will take them here, and you can see they have a to-do list. What is my name? That's the quiz. They click on the quiz, and here's their option. So now they can take the quiz. They can see that they have 5 minutes to take this, so they can make sure they have the allotted time to do it. And the total amount of attempts I've allowed is 5, and there's the instructions for them. So if they take the quiz, it will pop up, and I have it set to show only 1 question at a time. If you have it selected to show all the questions, it'll just be a whole scrolling screen of multiple questions. So it's 1 at a time. So what is my name? I'm going to select this one, hit next. I was born in, I'm going to select this one and hit next. And then what is my daughter's name? I'm going to select this one, and that's the end of the quiz. The child will hit submit quiz down here. And then what should happen is it shows them the answers. And remember the text box I mentioned that you can put with each answer? Now it shows the reasoning behind it. So if they answered Bobby, I wrote, why do you want to do that to me? I was born in Jeddah. They selected that. I was not, obviously, but well, maybe I was, considering the picture that I added. And then is my daughter's name Sylvana? No, it's not. It's my mother's name, which my uncle got wrong when registering her for birth back in 1947 for my grandmother. So that's what the child will see. And then there's the option here that they can take the quiz again. So let's try that. Let's take the quiz again. And so this time I know that the answer is not Bobby, so I'm going to try Roberto. Next. I was born in Canada. Next. And then my daughter's name is actually Savannah with the 1 N to kind of copy the mistake that my uncle made in Italy. And then I'm going to submit the quiz. And you can see that the time the child took to take attempt 2 was less than a minute, and their score was 3 out of 3. And you can see it has all the correct answers. And you can add text boxes to those answers as well, maybe with further explanation for the answer. And so that's that. So we can leave student view now, and we'll go back to our course. And we can see in our quizzes, if you look over here, you have the option to look at quiz statistics, moderate the quiz, or speed grader. So if you look at the quiz statistics, select the Sandbox. Apparently that hasn't populated for some reason. I'm not sure why. Let me see if I can moderate this quiz. Okay, so here's the moderation of the quiz. You can see the student took it. They took 2 attempts. They finished in less than a minute, and their score was 3. So when you select multiple attempts and you save the option to select the highest score, it will only show that score, but it will tell you how many times they took to answer the question. And you can see their answers here. Okay, and that's that for taking the test.